Hello guys, welcome to Wymy's YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about best budget branded shoes under price 2000. So let's get into the video. Number 1, US Polo Assn Men Off-White PU sneakers. Look at the design. The off-white shoe with its red color combo giving a modern youthful look to the product. The quality of product material is good. I'm sure there is no quality compromise in branded shoes. Number 2, US Polo Assn Men Grey PU sneakers. This grey color shoes have also a fanbase I think. But that red, white and blue color combo is not a good match to the primary color grey. This is only my opinion, everyone have their own choice. So find out your choice in this video. Number 3, Adidas Women Blue and White Woven Design Vertago Running Shoes. This is very light color. I think almost every girl like these type of shoes for daily workout and running. It's a decent product and have a good quality material. Number 4, US Polo Assn Men Black PU sneakers. Yes, finally we got it. This is my favorite pick of today's video. The best color combo ever. The primary black color is exactly matched with other short colors. I know black shoes have lot of fans. What is your thoughts? Comment your queries and needs. We will work on it. Number 5, US Polo Assn Men Grey and Blue Colourblocked sneakers. Another grey one. Oh, it's looking good. And it is not exact grey color, some reddish color effect is there. Check out the ratings of the shoes in the video. Make your best choice. Comment your thoughts below. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button also. Thanks for watching.